pastel sheet of 20 by 20 cm and fold it in the shape of triangle. We will fold the bottom corner inwards and paste it with the help of Fevi-Stick. We will reverse the sheet and from the marked portions, we will fold the page little bit tilted outwards. After this, you will notice that ears of the elephant is complete. It's a very easy and creative toy for kids which can be easily made at home. So in this quarantine time, make toys at home and let the kids have fun. Now to make trunk, we will take sheet of 20 by 12 cm. Divide the 12 cm side in 3 parts by marking 4 cm points as shown. After marking, we will do the folding. Now we will paste it with the help of Fevi-Stick. By doing the 3 layers in trunk, it will be easy to give it a real look by folding, which will be shown in detail by the end of the video. Our trunk is ready. Now let's attach the trunk to the elephant's head. If you have made it so far in the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. More such videos and tutorials are on the way. So by subscribing, you won't be able to miss out any of them. For making elephant's teeth, we will take a white paper of size 7 by 7 cm and fold it in half. Cut it as shown in the video. We will paste the teeth as shown. Now let's make some jumbo eyes for our jumbo elephant. As told earlier in the video, by making 3 layers in trunk will give us a stiffness to hold after folding, so it will resemble like a real trunk. We will fold the trunk with the help of pencil. The same can be done by hands also. Our jumbo elephant is ready.